The National Association of Home Builders' Wells Fargo Housing Market Index is the first measurement of the U.S. housing market this week. Economists surveyed by the Wall Street Journal expect that the index, a measure of building confidence, declined slightly. The Federal Reserve Bank of New York is scheduled to release its monthly Empire State Manufacturing Survey, and economists expect to show a decline in general business conditions. Economists say that the number of new homes being built decreased by 3.8% in July because of high housing prices. They also say building permits are expected to go up by 0.9%. The Federal Reserve is likely to report that industrial production increased in July. Economists also expect an increase in the measure of how much industries produce compared with what they can produce. The Commerce Department will report how much people spent on goods and eating out in July. Economists think people spent less last month than they did earlier in the summer, even though prices were rising. Another report from the Commerce Department shows that businesses had more stuff in their stores in June. People think the number of people who filed for unemployment benefits last week went up slightly. This number has slowly been going up over the past few weeks. It was the highest it had been all year last week. Home sales are expected to have gone down by 6.3% in July. This is following a drop of more than 5% the month before. The U.S. housing market is quickly cooling off because prices are too high, and mortgage rates have gone up. Stay tuned with us and check back for more information by subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications.